Once again, welcome back all for my Travel Around the World channel. Today we are going to visit 7 places in Brazil. The first place is Búzios. Travelers who like beaches are likely to gravitate to Búzios, a resort town 105 miles from Rio de Janeiro. Búzios have 23 beaches catering to different tourists. Surfers will like Gabriel while families may prefer Tartaruga. The waterfront features a fishing village with a harbor filled with colorful boats. Popular activities include scuba diving, hiking, bike riding, shopping for crafts, and dining on the Rua das Pedras. Really, the color was amazing. It's blue and green in color. Next, we're going to visit Museo de Arte Contemporânea. Depending on one's perspective, the Museo de Arte Contemporânea, it's a modern art museum, looks either like an upside down light fixture, a USO, and an elegant serving bowl. Designed by noted architect Oscar Niemeyer, the museum opened in 1996 in the Niterói suburb city of Rio, where it overlooks Rio and the bay. Some visitors say the building itself is more impressive than its content. The view is really different and unique too. In third, we are going to visit Praia de Pipa. Blessed with postcard-worthy beaches, tall cliffs and clear waters, Praia de Pipa has become one of the Brazil's best-known beach destinations and is a favorite with both locals and tourists. The town is also known for its vibrant nightlife and offers visitors a slew of activities, including boating and surfing. But as popular as it is, the town itself is limited in size as it is surrounded by environmental protected areas. That means that visitors can still enjoy the natural beauty of this area and swim in waters that are teeming with dolphins and turtles. It is really a pleasure to swim with dolphins and turtles. Next, we are going to visit Florianopolis beaches, also known as Floripa. The 42 beaches of Florianopolis are popular with surfers, partiers, and sun worshippers. Arguably, its most popular beach is Jocuna, which boasts huge sand dunes and excellent waves. Though as of late, its neighbor Praia Mole has been stealing some of Jocuna thunder. Travelers who like to hang out with the rich and famous should head to Jureri, which boasts huge homes and some of the best nightclubs in the area. For those seeking a little solitude, Lagoinha do Leste is the beach they will want to visit. One caveat: this beach requires about a 2-hour hike to reach it. Fifth place is Lençóis Maranhenses National Park. For most people, Brazil conjures up images of stunning beaches and verdant jungles, not sand dunes. But one of its most interesting national park, Lençóis Maranhenses, is home to massive dunes. But this is not the desert. During July, torrential rains actually create gorgeous clear lagoons that can reach depth of 3 meters, that is 10 feet in some areas. Interestingly enough, even though these pools are temporarily disappearing during the dry season, there are fish in them. Swimming is allowed, but visitors should be prepared for warm waters. Temperatures in these pools can be as high as 30 degrees Celsius, that is 87 degrees Fahrenheit. Sixth place we are going to visit is Campos do Jordão, also known as the Switzerland of Brazil. This town is the highest in the country, located more than 1600 meters, that is 5300 feet above sea level in the beautiful Mantiqueira mountain. Because it sits at such a high elevation, this resort town offers visitors a refreshing escape from Brazil heart during the summer month. Campos do Jordão is probably best known for its winter festival, a popular classical music event held in July that draws musicians from all over the world. This town is also a popular draw with active visitors who can choose from a large variety of outdoorsy outing, including horseback riding, jeep tours, and cable car rides. Today's last visit is Porto de Galinhas. One of the Brazil's booming beach destination, Porto de Galinhas, attracts hordes of tourists during holiday times. So what makes Porto de Galinhas so special? For starters, it boasts pretty white sand beaches, beautiful weather, warm waters, and a nice selection of accommodations in all price ranges. But what truly sets Porto de Galinhas apart is the stunning natural pools that form in reefs at low tide where visitors can swim with large schools of colorful fish. With this visit, we can end up the attraction tourist places in Brazil. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep continuing our channel. Thank you all. Thank you.